En este episodio de Marrano.com, ahí te va. Truck came in with low oil on the hub. What's that gonna be? The oil seal, the wheel. As you can see, it's fucking full of shit. The oil. Va para abajo. First, you take the damn wheel off, obviously, and then you take the hub off, and then you take the caliper off. I mean the brakes, and then the caliper, and then the fucking bracket, caliper bracket. Then you're gonna take the brake. There you go. And now we're gonna put in new brakes because those are halfway gone. So they're brand new ones. They got me. ¿Cómo les quedó el pinche ojo? En inglés se dice, how's your fucking eyeball? And that's it, folks. Sorry we couldn't record the whole damn thing because we have a driver waiting. And camera don't help.